Happy Thanksgiving! This is a Thanksgiving morning mini vlog. Say hi to my mom, Sharon. Kicked off the morning by almost cutting my toe off. Thank God my parents haven't sharpened their knives since 1990. Tried to put a turkey in my latte, didn't work. Then I started chopping my chestnuts for our chestnut, apple, and sausage stuffing. It's the best. Went to the front yard to get some fresh herbs for the compound butter. Say hi to the giant metal turkey. Started chopping up my herbs. We have rosemary, thyme, and sage, the classics. I also pressed some garlic. And then I tried to use this tool from, I guess, the 1600s to soften my butter. It didn't work, so I switched to a fork, added my herbs, garlic, and salt, and then I also separated out my stuffing. Now it's turkey time, and I mean business. So I separated the skin from the meat with my hand, kind of gnarly, and then stuffed the compound butter right in there. Also rubbed it all over it, gave it a spank, couldn't hurt. I'm using the Julia Child cheesecloth method. You soak the cheesecloth in butter and then put it on the breast. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. This is the turkey at halftime, looking really good.